Wait, did you know that the most exquisite pasta dish in the world is cooked with just 4 components? That's true. No cream, no shortcuts, pure Italian magic with eggs, cheese, pancetta, and black pepper. We are making the ultimate carbonara today. Believe me, once you learn this, you will never view pasta in the same manner ever again. Though carbonara is regarded as difficult, in fact, it is simple, elegant, and very tasty. View it as the cousin of all your loved pasta meals. That's a thick sauce made with butter and cream. One of the questions one may have is, how do I make Alfredo carbonara? However, using only eggs and cheese for that glossy finish, this one is richer, silkier, no cream required. Some of you may also be looking for how to prepare spaghetti squash or how to cook spaghetti squash. Guess what? Should you need a lighter, low-carb version of carbonara, you could even replace classic pasta with spaghetti squash. At the end, I will describe for you how. Let's begin. First step, start your pasta boiling. Indeed, this recipe may be used with spaghetti, rigatoni, and even bucatini. This is if you have been asking how to make pasta, how to cook spaghetti, or how do I prepare pasta. Here you are making it. Can your pancetta? Cut your pancetta into tiny cubes when it's boiling. Though bacon may substitute in a pinch, guanciale is the genuine option if pancetta is not available. Gently fry until golden and the fat melts out. That's your favorite goal. Then the sauce follow. Whisk 2 egg yolks and 1 entire egg in a bowl. Combine grated Pecorino Romano or Parmesan over mountains. A lot of black peppers. This is your creamy base, but bear in mind, no cream. The pasta heat will turn this into something spectacular. Drain your pasta, but keep that starchy looking water since it is the secret ingredient for every pasta dish. Remove from heat your hot pasta and stir in your egg and cheese combination. Throw it into the pancetta. Every strain will be covered in silky ribbons of sauce, and therefore keep it flowing. Add a dash of that pasta water until it's glossy and excellent if it's too thick. And that's it, a perfect plate of carbonara. Right up there with how to make lasagna or prepare cheesy macaroni. It's the perfect comfort food, but the elegance of this meal is in its basic nature. 4 components, 5 minutes, and you have something that seems right from Rome. Therefore, I have to ask whether you favor traditional spaghetti, Alfredo, or team carbonara. Post your response in the comments as I am eager to find out which pasta rule supreme. And if you like this recipe, remember to click the like button, subscribe for more meals, and pass this to your pasta-loving pals. Here we are all answering those questions like how do you make pasta? How do I prepare and cook spaghetti? Or even lasagna? See you in the next one.